What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be installing a downpipe in this Mazda Speed 3. Here it is. See if it makes a difference. We already have a cop tuning intake, a cop tuning access port, and it has a Borla catback exhaust. So we'll record and see how it sounds right now, and then we'll record it when we install the downpipe, see if it makes a difference. All right, go. So that's how it sounds right now. So we'll see how it sounds when we install the downpipe, if it changes, if it gives it like a more tone or something. He's trying to make more power. So we'll see how it sounds after. Alright, so we started off by removing the intercooler just so we can get more access to the back of the manifold. I'm gonna pull this cover off. See, I can pull some bolts from here and then go into the car and pull the rest off and get this downpipe installed. It's the first time working on a Speed 3. I really don't work on front wheel drive vehicles, but doing it for my buddy. So let's get it. So got the covers out, the dust shield, the heat shields, and I just got the O2 out, and there it is. That's where the downpipe's gonna go. So I'm gonna probably unbolt it from the bottom, take all those heat shields off also, and then unbolt it from up here and then put the new one in. Should be easier to put in than to pull this one out, but yep, making some progress. So it is underneath. This is the same piece. I gotta remove this O2 right there, that O2 sensor I gotta remove. You gotta remove this bracket that goes here, this guy right here. So focus a little bit. That one, gotta remove that one just so it's easier to come off. And then you go back here, and then there's two bolts right there. You can get with an extension from all the way back here. Just throw it in there and then pull them off. Now I'm gonna bring the car back down from the lift and then pull the bolts from up there, and it should be easier. But first I'm gonna come back down and remove this O2 and just remove the bolts up there, and then install this pretty little downpipe right here. See what it does, if it makes a difference. Should. So let's get this going. So I got it out, finally out, and this isn't that bad. Just gotta pull that O2 out because I couldn't pull it out through with it being in the car. So you do have to remove, like, there's this little skid plate that goes here, which is that one right there. Remove that skid plate and this little bar or whatever, and you do have to remove the catalytic converter, and it should come out. Yeah, it damages that a little bit, but it's the only way I saw it out without fucking dropping or lowering a little bit the set point. But yeah, let's get the new one in, and I'm gonna leave it like this so it's easier to install. Bring it back down and then record once it's on. So intercooler downpipe is already bolted in nice and tight. It was pretty straightforward. We just had a little issue, but we resolved it. For some reason the bolts were, one of them stripped out on us, so got a replacement and got it done. So now just to go down and put the rest of the stuff back on, catalytic converter, plug the O2 in, put back the intercooler and blow off valve and all that stuff. We're good to go to fire back up. So downpipe's fully installed. Now we just gotta put the intercooler back on. We use still same stock cat. Everything's back on how it's supposed to, and let's get it. Just put back the intercooler and it's a wrap. Now all we're gonna do is just change the map, because it had a map already where it was just catback and intake. So now it's catback, intake, and downpipe. So we're gonna just change it up and see if it gains anything. Gotta see if it's this one. Downpipe, high flow catalytic converter. So we're just gonna change the map and then we'll start it up. Just finish the downpipe. all this smoke, but it does sound a little different. It sounds same exhaust sounds, but you can hear like that fucking turbo sucking. Sounds good, sounds good. Still taking out smoke. We let it warm up for a bit. But yeah. Just gonna go test drive it right now and see how if it gained power. Better have gained power, if not we're gonna be disappointed. There he is. He's gonna bust a U-turn and we're gonna get a racer flyby right now. We'll see how it does right now. There he goes, the Speed 3. Man, I think it's dipping. Alright, so I'm gonna test drive it and see how it does. Oh, the throttle feels different, like the throttle response. So he says he really doesn't feel a difference. I'll roll this up just so you guys want to hear all the air. Hopefully my phone don't fall. I forgot my GoPro, so I'm recording with my phone today. So let's see how it feels. Hopefully there's no cop. It for sure got louder. I feel the boost kicking up quicker. Oh yeah, I feel a difference. It took off quicker. How it was before. Maybe we just need to mess with the maps a little bit. It picks up quick. Feels obviously faster than how it was. He says he doesn't feel a difference. I feel it different. What a day, what a day. But my face is probably all black from all day, but we finished that downpipe and it does feel faster in person. Probably in the video it looks slow, like anything video always looks slow, but we finished that downpipe. It's all finished up now. He's buying a test pipe because he says he still feels it the same. So we're going to get that installed when it gets here. But that's the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. I'll try to get more content. I'll be painting my front fenders, my Vertex bumper, and waiting on my skirt so I can throw that on my car. And we'll be vlogging that. So I'll try to be more content for you guys. If you like this video, thank you. Like, subscribe if you got to the end. And thank you all the time.